Is that your son doing the driving?
His grandson.
Your grandson, all right. 3 generations of racing. Before a lot of you guys were born. But I saw that at Los Angeles County Raceway. And one of the cars I remember from the days there in super gas racing was the Precious Vette. Other than the paint being a little weathered and the cage being updated, this car is as it was 30 years ago. And it's been racing ever since. Now, the grandson of the original driver, Larry Mollicone, Mollicone, is in the driver's seat.
This is his son, Rocky.
And his son, Rocky, is right here. Rocky, you drove the car.
Yes, I did. Almost for 30 years, off and on. After my dad did. Yes, sir.
All right. So now your son is behind the wheel.
This is his first night.
First night. 3 generations of drag racing. What's your son's name?
Justin Mollicone.
All right, Justin. We're going to talk to Justin now. Justin, you don't have to take that off. You can talk about it here. How's it feel to be behind the wheel of a historic vehicle?
Feels amazing. So excited to be here. Well, I've had here. You guys are family.
What is your drag racing experience before this?
Oh, not too much. A little bit on the street. Nothing professional yet. So trying to get into it.
All right, so this car was capable of 990s in the quarter. You're just getting the feel of it. Have you got a competition license yet?
No, I'm not.
So that's one of the things you're practicing. You're going to get this thing ready, and you're going to get your license and go super gas racing again.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's good. Now, tell us a little bit about the car. What year is it?
It's a 1957 Corvette. It's Big Block 454. It's now about 650 horsepower.
It's a real deal Corvette. This is the factory fiberglass body Corvette. This is not a replica. I remember the car from the day. All right, have fun out there tonight.